Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your own Parkour Party blueprint in Heartopia without ruining your house layout. So in this newest Heartopia update, there's a new multiplayer gameplay that called Parkour Party, and the cool thing is you can build your own custom parkour map. And first, just go to the pop store and buy the starting rock and finish rock, and after that, just buy any building materials that you need for your parkour obstacles and platforms. And then now here's the important part. If you don't want to mess up your house positions, just tap on the blueprint on the smartwatch. And then next just go to gameplay like this. And then just choose an empty blueprint slots and then next just tap on edit to start building your parkour course. And this will create a spirit gameplay build area so your main house design will stay safe and unchanged. And after that just place the starting rock first, then build your obstacles like this, just any obstacles that you want. And then once your parkour is finished, just place the finish rock, and then after that just name the blueprint, for example like this, and then next just tap on confirm. And after that that you need to do is verify the blueprint by playing it yourself from start to finish. Just tap on verifications, and then just tap on start verifications, and then next just start to playing it yourself from start to finish. You have to successfully clear the course so the game knows the map is possible to complete. And after that, that's it. Your custom parkour party blueprint is now ready to use for other players. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.